Hello, I'm Doug Jones at Mortgage Magic. You know, when we do mortgage loans for condos especially, we have some other things to consider in the debt ratio. Now, the debt ratio is the money coming in, the amount of money that the customer earns versus all the payments going out. Well, when we compute payments going out, we compute the mortgage payment, we compute the real estate property taxes, and we compute the insurance. Those are things in the home that we compute home expenses. Well, in a condo, there's also another insurance called walls-in insurance, and we call it HO6 in the industry. Now, what this is, if you buy a condo, that condo association has an insurance policy, and we have to get a copy of that master policy for the bank to show that they do have sufficient coverage for the units. However, if your complex burns, the insurance does not cover the inside of your home. So you're responsible for covering the inside walls-in policy. That includes the floors, the studs in the walls, the plumbing, the heating, all those type of things. And there has to be another insurance policy for that. Now, I've written down some of the things it does cover. It covers floors, cabinets, carpets, light fixtures, inner walls, and countertops. It also covers furniture, appliances, electronics, jewelry, clothing, artwork, and TVs, and those type of appliances. So you need an HO6 insurance policy. So when you're shopping for a condo and you buy the condo, most people know that, hey, I have insurance already because that's through the association, and you do pay an association fee, but you also have to have the HO6. Now, how much insurance to get? A good idea is to take about 20% of the property value. So if your condo is worth $500,000, it's a good idea to get about $100,000 of insurance to cover the inside and the contents. A lady in our office had a pipe break in one of her condos, and it was the HO6 that covered, they had to replace the floors entirely. It was her HO6 insurance policy that covered that. Of course, talk to your insurance agent to make sure that you understand the policy and get a good policy and get sufficient coverage. But a lot of times when people are just buying insurance for a mortgage and they do it right away, they're just grabbing and getting whatever they can. But this is something that after you get the mortgage in place, you want to talk to your insurance agent about. So one of the things you need when you buy a condo or townhouse is HO6 insurance, walls-in insurance.